Holding sneeze imposes potential risks.
We ask so you may know.
We feature so you may appreciate.
We inform so you may decide.
We balance so you may judge.
CBRC Jensen is the branch of CBRC which produced 4 top-notchers in late September 2017, located at with these contact numbers. CBRC Jensen is now accepting enrollees for Enroll Now.
Have you ever felt the need to sneeze, sometimes uncontrollably? Do you sometimes hold it in just because you're afraid of the attention it might draw? In some cases, you really have to hold it in and fight the urge to sneeze, yet some experts say that in doing so often could lead to some serious health damage.
Why do people sneeze?
Sneezing is the body's way of eliminating unwanted substances from the nose. In short, it protects the individual by coming out as a reflex, an automatic response, whenever particular substances are in the environment. There are also rare instances that people sneeze once they are exposed to sunlight or anesthetic drugs, or even during intercourse. These, on the contrary, do not provide a clear medical explanation.
Why is it bad to stop your sneeze?
The diaphragm could get injured, blood vessels of the eye might become broken, eardrums could be ruptured, the inner ear could experience vertigo or loss of hearing. Lastly, blood vessels located in the brain may happen to burst because of the rise of one's blood pressure. There had been a case of internal injuries just because of suppressing sneezes, such as the 34-year-old patient who ruptured the back of his throat just because of holding in his sneeze. Therefore, as much as it can rarely occur, doctors advise individuals to let your sneeze out to avoid repercussions.
This is Pia Garais.
And this is Virgo Lopez, CBRC News Live.
As cliche as it sounds, pressure is only good if it pushes someone to become better. But when it comes to sneezing, don't fight the pressure, just let it flow naturally. We ask so you may know. We feature so you may appreciate. We inform so you may decide. We balance so you may judge. I'm Joy Ziranara and this is CBRC News Live. Good day.